Kikoff verification failures usually happen when the system cannot confirm the information connected to your account. Checking your details, fixing mismatches, and completing the verification steps again can often resolve the issue. By the end, you'll know why Kikoff verification fails and the exact troubleshooting steps to try before contacting support. Start with your account information. Verification systems compare the details you provide with the information used during your account setup. If your name, address, email, phone number, or other required details do not match, the verification process may not complete. Open your Kikoff account and review every piece of information you entered. Correct any spelling mistakes, outdated details, or missing information before trying again. Next, check your identity verification steps. If Kikoff requests additional information, make sure any documents or details you submit are accurate and readable. Incorrect information or incomplete submissions can prevent verification from being approved. Review the instructions shown in the app and follow each step carefully. Submit only the information requested and make sure everything is clear before sending it. Technical issues can also affect verification. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Kikoff app if you are verifying through mobile. Updating the app can fix problems caused by older versions. Restart your phone and check your internet connection before trying again. A failed upload or interrupted connection can prevent verification from finishing correctly. Another common issue is repeated failed attempts. If you keep submitting the same incorrect information, the system may continue rejecting the verification. Stop and review your details before making another attempt. If you still cannot complete verification, contact Kikoff support. When you reach out, include the exact error message you see, when the issue started, and what troubleshooting steps you already tried. This information helps support understand whether the problem is related to your account details or a technical issue. Avoid entering random information just to get through verification, because the details need to match your actual account information. To recap, Kikoff verification failures are usually caused by incorrect details, incomplete verification steps, or technical problems. Check your account information, complete every requested step carefully, and retrieve after fixing any issues. Your next step is to open Kikoff, review your profile details, and submit the verification process again with accurate information. If this guide helped you fix Kikoff verification problems, like the video and subscribe for more credit app and payment troubleshooting guides.